You were a successful business person on the computer side. You've been very successful in this nonprofit. What are the things or the traits? Do you run them both the same way? Are there things that you learned here at Cranter and in your engineering background that are the same?
There are some things, the way I approach solving problems is the same. So, to me, engineering is about a way to solve problems. And so I look at big problems, and like any good engineer, I break it down into small components, and I start solving each small component at a time. I start working out what are the interactions between those components, and this decision is going to affect that decision. And so that kind of training and the way to run a project I use in both. My Cranert education, along with some more rigor in thinking about accounting and financing and those things, it really helped me with deepening my thinking about human nature and how to deal with human nature and the uncertainties of human nature within a business setting. And I found that very helpful. In charity work, it's hard to not let your compassion overcome you in making your decisions. And so how do you bring the temperature down to where you're making rational decisions that are truly going to be in the best long-term interest of the people you're helping? And sometimes that's extremely difficult when somebody's in need right now. But what you're doing is, I can't put my resources into helping this person right now. I will try and find them help, but I have to continue down this path of helping the thousands who will come later to end this situation that we have.